Welcome to Grumpy John's garage. Today I've got Bella. She's going to help me out the little footman loops that I couldn't get in with my chubby sausage fingers. So she's going to try and get in there and do it for me. A flat slotted bolt with a spring washer and a nut. The screw in first. You hold that with your finger. Spring washer in.
Very far down.
It is. I wonder if we could use a. Might be able to do it with that. Too thick. That might do it. No. I thought that may be able to get in. Jeez, that's awkward. That's wee spring. I think I might end up having to do it. It is, it's very tight. A daft place to put it. When I tried to do this last time, my hands were cold. My hands were freezing cold because it was cold.
Was it more
It was frosty that day. But today, my fingers are a bit, still cold today, but it's a bit easier to do. Right, you turn that, the screw. Yeah.
Make it tighter.
Yeah. The other way. That's it. That's it. Right. How you know you're going to tighten it is they call it righty tighty. So you're turning it to the right.
And then it's tighter.
That tightens it. So righty tighty, lefty loosey. So you remember that when you're doing anything. Righty tighty means tight to the right. Left,
So this way.
left, loose. Okay?
Okay.
Right. Well, I'll see if I can get the spanner in the back there. Make sure that it right. Remember what did I say? That you have to turn that. That's it. Keep it straight. Use the two hands. Hold the end there. That's it. Okay, right, let me tighten that. Yeah, right, so this one need tightened. I think this just needed tightened up a wee bit. That's it, quarter turn. Perfect.
And we just need to.
That's that done. Next wee job I'm going to get Bella to do. We also have Bunny. She's overlooking the job. So the next job is to put this reflector on. And you remember in my last video, if you haven't seen the video on putting the reflectors on and clocking them, go back into my feed and have a look for it, and it'll tell you how to clock the reflector when you're putting them on either the side or the rear. So the reflector's held on with a domed head, slotted bolt with a spring washer and a nut. Straight. That's moved. Yeah. Okay. It's perfect.
It's just screw in.
Right, so you put it in like that into the hole.
And do the same with the other one.
And then you'll put one of these wee washers on, then a nut on the back.
That.
So if you put your screwdriver down on the floor,
Okay, I got
right,
that one
you've
on.
got to hold that one in with your finger and then put the nut in the back. Right, hold that in with your finger. It might be better if you were this side. Yep. Remembering to change your slotted head for a wider one.
And you need one of these.
So what you'll do is you'll get the name on the top like that. Then you'll get your bolt, put it through. You hold it with this hand, with your finger. Put your washer on with that hand. Okay. You see how it's easier now because you're not using your left hand. That went on nice and easy. Right, I need to get a spanner. Right, and then what you can do with this one here, what you can do with that one is line the hole up, put the bolt in, and just do the same.
I can't see the. Oh,
There we go. Go.
There we go.
Right, then we've got a 7/16 headed nut. So if you put that in the back of the nut,
Yeah.
okay, I'll tighten up the head. Okay, there we go. Next one. Can you see it?
Okay.
Perfect. There we go. There we go. That's it done. If you could see that. That's the reflector on now.
Look, Bunny's looking at
Complete. Bunny's checking it out, inspecting the work, and the final footman loop's on. So next on the rear panel is to paint it. Then we've got the tank strap, the jerry can mount, and the spare wheel mount. That's the only other things left. Hot and the taillights, but we'll do that with on the electric series. And I'd just like to thank my wee helper here, Bella, for joining me. I'll maybe get her to help me do the screws going through the floor to the wiring to the back. I'll maybe get her to help me do that. But with that, I'd like to thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. I enjoyed that.